Hello everybody and welcome to Cheese of the Week.
Hi.
I'm Carrie Brown.
I'm Yogi.
And this is a well waxed piece. What do they call those? Wheel of Grafton Village cheese. And this one is maple smoked cheddar. I have no idea, you have no idea how excited I am about this maple smoked cheddar. You may have noticed, if you're a fan / follower of the Cheese of the Week, you may have noticed that it gets very exciting around here whenever smoked is involved. So I don't quite remember where we got this from. It was from one of our Sunday drive road trips. I suspect that it was somewhere in Vermont, because Grafton Village is actually Grafton Village is possibly our favourite little Vermont village that we've been to thus far. Absolutely adorable, loved it, could have moved there. We sat out on the patio and had coffee. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous.
I actually think we got that cheese at that little Grafton market right there in Grafton where we had the coffee. We sat on the...
We may well have. I don't remember, because we see a lot of cheese when we road trip to Vermont. So this is cold smoked over a blend of hardwood chips. This iconic Vermont cheese has a subtle smoked flavour. Smooth, buttery and savoury. And Grafton Village cheese is cheese on a mission. So there we go. This will take me a minute, so feel free to say something useful.
So when they say Grafton cheese is a cheese on a mission, one of the things that they do is really cool is they help support a lot of the local farms and the historical sites of the farms around the community. So part of the proceeds when you buy Grafton Farms go toward that. Check out below, because whenever we do one of these local farms that is like someplace that we know you can order from, I try to put a link to the company down below in the show notes so you can check it out and order some and try it out. We have done a couple videos now on Grafton Farms, and so far every cheese that we have tried from them has been phenomenal. It's been very good. So, and Carrie is... we're going to have to get Carrie like a cheese chainsaw when it comes to these heavily waxed cheeses, because they're kind of hard to get through.
Did you see me struggling? Me either. Are you drunk?
No.
Too much coffee?
No.
Still asleep?
Pressing it down.
Weirdo. Eat your cheese.
Alrighty.
Take the wax off, peeps.
Yeah, you don't want to eat the wax. Looks appetizing, but don't want to eat the wax. Learned that from the wax fruit.
It's very strong.
Yeah, the smoke is very strong.
The smoke is strong in this one.
It is. And the cheddar is actually, it's a good cheddar flavor, but it definitely takes a kind of a back seat when it comes to the smoke, because smoke is really front and center, but it's a very nice cheddar cheese. It's got a bit of a grainy texture to it, but creamy at the same time. So there's like little bits of graininess in there.
This is not my favourite.
No.
It's hard. The flavour is hard to me. It's not kind of the flavours, the cheese is smooth, but the flavour is not smooth and mellow. It's like, in your face!
Yeah, it's a bit abrupt. But The cheese solo, I mean, it's not a bad cheese, don't get me wrong. The cheese solo may not be one of those ones that you solo eat, but having this cheese on like a burger would be pretty awesome. The smoky, because then the meat will cut some of that smoke flavor, and you can have that smoke flavor on your burger. So having it on a burger, or if you do some pulled pork in like an Instapot, or you know, not smoked pulled pork, and you want to add some of that smoky flavor, you could have some of this cheese kind of in the pulled pork sandwich with some of Julie Fox Hill buns, you know, for the sandwich bread, and it'd be good stuff.
Not my favorite.
Solo, not great, but I can see it would be delicious added to something.
Or on some low carb keto crackers, or for me, I would need to have this with something to kind of tone down the.
That's a good idea.
Tone down the flavor.
Yeah, I think it would be great on a burger. I really do. Or even like some grilled chicken thighs, you know, or something like that. It would. But I think it's probably the burger is probably the best thing for it.
I'm going with crackers.
Crackers?
Mm-hmm. But yeah, on its own, not my favorite. Just because the smoke flavor is hard to me.
Yeah.
So there it is. Grafton Village Cheese Co. We love you. We love your mission. We love all the things you stand for. But this is not my favorite cheese of yours.
No. But like I said, it can be good with something else. You know what else might be good with? If you make a keto style like cauliflower mac and cheese and have a smoked mac and cheese with that.
Yeah. Yeah, to tone it down. Yeah, that would be good too.
Yeah.
Anyway, there it is. Grafton was adorable. If you ever get near Vermont, you have to go to Grafton because it's delightful and also has delicious things there.
And very friendly people.
Very friendly people.
The Grafton Inn is beautiful.
And it is one of the top 10 prettiest fall villages in Vermont. So there you go. Next fall, have at it. See ya.
See ya.